Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to locate GTA5.exe for OpenIV. Alright, let's begin. After installing OpenIV, open the program and select GTA5 Windows. You will then be asked to locate your GTA5 installation folder. If you already know where GTA5 is installed, simply browse to that folder. If not, you can easily find it using your game launcher. If you are using Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on GTA5, select Manage, then click Browse Local Files. This will open the main GTA5 installation directory where GTA5.exe is located. For Epic Games Launcher, open your library, find GTA5, click the three dots next to it, and select Manage. Click the folder icon to open the installation path. If you are using Rockstar Games Launcher, open Settings from the top left. Under My Installed Games, select GTA5, then click the folder icon next to the installation location. Once the folder opens, copy the path, return to OpenIV, click Browse, paste the path, select the folder, and confirm. So that's basically how you can locate GTA5.exe for OpenIV. That's it for this video. Thanks.